Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be doing an autumn and winter collection. Today I'll be having 2 items only at the top and only 4 bottoms, which means that you do not need many clothes to create different outfits. Here I have only 15 different ideas, which means that even if you have 2 tops or 4 bottoms, you can actually create a lot of outfits to wear. Please do press the button on the bottom where you can subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know why you're here and you haven't subscribed. Like, I mean, hello, hi. Yeah guys, please do subscribe, please do like, please do comment, and I hope that you do enjoy this video. The first outfit that I have is my favorite outfits of all the outfits that I'm going to be wearing, and this is a campus look. I do have my skirt, my white turtleneck long sleeved t-shirt, my biker jacket as well, and my Converse and stockings and a fanny pack. This look is lovely, it's stylish, it's young, and I just love it so much. This was my favorite look, and yeah, let's just check how it looks. This is the same outfits that I have, but the only difference is that I changed my white t-shirt to my black jersey. This is also very warm. You can wear your black jersey alone without the biker jacket, because the biker jacket, I mean, it's unnecessary because it's not warm, but if you want to look stylish, then you can also wear it. It's fine, really, but it's not that warm. Actually, I love this look as well. It's very stylish, it's very young. I just changed the t-shirt and went for a black jersey. The next look is also nice for campus. I do have my joggers, I have my white turtleneck t-shirt as well, the long sleeve t-shirt that I used in the beginning. I do have my red puffer jacket. Love this jacket. Is very warm. It is extremely warm. And I do have my Converse All-Star shoes. So these looks are for campus, and they're very pretty for campus. I love them so much, and I swear you are gonna be warm when you're wearing these clothes. And yeah, let's move right into the next outfit. The second look that I have is loungewear. So I know that when we're at home, we need to be warm, we need to be comfortable during winter, and this look is just, you know, loungewear. We're just sitting at home, sipping your coffee, sipping your water, sipping your juice, sipping whatever you're sipping, and just watching TV and having me time. The first outfit is I have my joggers and I have my white turtleneck long sleeve t-shirt. Like, this t-shirt is gonna be worn for the rest of the outfits that I have, and your beanie and your socks, and you're gonna be comfortable for the rest of the day. So I love this outfit, and yeah, let's just check it out. The next item is I do have also my joggers as well. I do have my jersey. This jersey is so warm. I love this jersey so much. I bought it at SPCA, and it was only 25 rand. So when you go there, you must know that if you have 100 rand, then obviously you're gonna get a lot of things, especially like your tops. There are very cheap. And yeah, and you have your socks as well, and you're gonna be warm for the rest of the day. We must keep warm during winter because it is very cold sometimes, but right now in Durban it's not that cold. Like, it's cold in the morning and then in the afternoon, but during the day it's hot. It is really hot. But yeah, if it is cold that day, then this look is definitely for you. This next look is generally for your lunch date. So during autumn, it's not very cold, but it is cold, and you can get away with wearing a skirt during autumn, because for me, I don't really feel cold on my bottom. I only feel cold on top. So when you're wearing a skirt, you should always wear something warm above when it's during autumn. And here I do have my skirt, I do have my heels, I do have my coat, my white turtleneck top, and yeah, I just look good and fine and cozy as well. This look is definitely for a lunch date. It's fun, it's lovely, and it's posh at the same time. Like, you look so formal yet so nice and neat, and you know, for a lunch date, this is actually the top of the tea. I love this look so much, and yeah, let's just check it out. This is the same look, but the only difference is that I do have a black jersey. Also looks nice and neat and wonderful and posh. So yeah, guys, this is definitely for an autumn lunch date. Next, I do have my white jeans. I have my white turtleneck t-shirt as well. I have my red jacket, my Converse All-Stars, and All-Star, and I have my red bag. Like, this is just a nice look. I color coordinated. I have my red, I have my white, and I just look so amazing in this outfit. Love this outfit. It's definitely for a lunch date as well. If you're not going for something formal, you can wear your Converse. It looks very nice. I love this look so much. The next outfit is a grocery run or mall wear. When you go into the mall, you do need something light to wear because you're going to pick up groceries and you don't want to be hot whilst picking up your stuff. So this is the look to go for. Here I do have my joggers, I have my white t-shirts, my biker jackets. That's optional because you don't need to wear biker jackets. That's if it's autumn as well. And I do have my sling bag and my Vans. It's a nice look for a grocery run or a mall look. And yeah, let's just check it out. This next look is my white jeans, black jersey, and my Converse All-Star. This is just, you know, a light look. Love this look as well. It's just simple. There's nothing amazing about it. It's just a simple look basically. The next look is definitely for winter. If it is really cold and you have to get your groceries, because you need to get your groceries, you can't have nothing in the house. This look is definitely for you to wear when it's cold. This look is just, you know, it's just nice for winter. If it's really cold, then you should wear a jacket. If it's not cold, then just don't wear a jacket. This next outfit is definitely suitable for church. So here I do have my white jeans, my white t-shirt as well, my coat, and my brown bag, and my heels. I look so nice for church here. I wish I was going to church because I miss church so much. I would have wore this outfit, but anyways, yeah, this is definitely the look for church. It looks nice. It looks nice, guys. Like, I like this look so much, and yeah, if you're going to church, then you should consider wearing this. This next look is an office wear, and I have all black items here. I do have my black jersey, my black jeans, and my black heels. This look is just nice. I love it. My mom likes this look so much. I showed her this and she's like, this is my favorite. I love this look. It's just, you know, a look where you can wear at the office. These also go with like boots as well. So if you want to wear these with boots, then it's gonna be fine as well. But it's an all black outfit for work. Amazing. This next outfit is definitely for a dinner date. When you're going out on a dinner date, obviously you want to look nice and warm as well during winter. So I do have my joggers, my white t-shirt, my coat as well, and my heels. This look is definitely nice for a dinner date. And yeah, when you're going out on a dinner date, obviously you want to impress, you want to look nice, you want to look posh, you want to look, you know, especially if you're going to a nice restaurant at night. And then the last outfit for the day is your night out. Night out are just so groovy and stuff. so you do need something loose, something, you know, something to banger with. And I do have my joggers are so, you know, flexible to move around with, and I love joggers so much because of that. So I do have my joggers here, my white t-shirt, my biker jacket, and my heels. Do not forget heels when you're going out for groove. Or if you're just going out for groove, like hey, then you should definitely wear your All Stars or your Vans or any other sneakers that you have. But if you're going for groove, like you're not gonna groove too much, but you in that vicinity of groove, then obviously you need to wear your heels. If you're going out to groove, then this is definitely suitable for you, and I swear to God, like you're gonna look amazing, and you're gonna slay, go groove, because yes, people slay there, so why not? Yeah, you need to slay when you're going out to groove. So yeah guys, let's just check this look out. That was the last outfits for the day, and I hope that you did enjoy this video. One thing I want to say is that you do not need lots and lots of clothing items. If you have something white and something black on top, then everything is gonna fall into place. I only had 2 tops for these clothing ideas and only 4 bottoms. That created 15 different outfits, and I'm so glad that this really worked. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you did enjoy. Please do comment on which outfits that you liked in this video, and yeah guys, please subscribe at the bottom. And yeah guys, see you next time. Bye.